Class 10 Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today I will start your chapter number 7, that is the graph. Let us start what will be in your graph. So you can see here. So length of side of a square in centimeter it is given here, and square area of a square in centimeter square is also given here. So let us see what will be happen. It is the equation of y is equal to x square. This is the area and it is your side. If we put x is equal to 0, so we get y is equal to 0. If x is equal to 1, so y is equal to 1. If x is equal to 2, so y is equal to 4. If x is equal to 3, so y will be equal to 9. So you can see here, so every time is going here. So the point is 0, 0, and here is 1 and 1, and here is 2 and 4, and here is 3 and 9. You can see. So let us see once again. Put x equal to 4, so y is equal to 4, 4 just 16, and point is 4 and 16. And here is x equal to 5, so y is equal to 5, 5 just 25. So point is 5 and 25. And now put x equal to 6, so y is equal to 6 is 36, so point is 6 and 36. And the last, put x equal to 7, so y is equal to 49, so point is 7 and 49. So you have to see here 1 per 1, 2 to 4, and on 3 that is the 9, on 4 that is the 16, and on 5 that is 25, and on 6 that is 36, and on 7 that is 49. Now we want to plot the graph. So 1 square, so you can see here the point is 1, 1, so you can write here point 1, 1, it is 1, 1. And the second 2 and 4, so you can write here 2, 4. It is 3, 9, and this one is 4, 16, and here is 5, 25, and here is 6, 36, and this one is the 7, 49. This is 49. So you have to write on this plot and draw the graph like this. It is given in your notebook also. So you can first you calculate like this and then draw the graph in your copy. So let us see the next one. And the length of the square, that is the x, and here the perimeter of the, it will be x and it will be y, you can see. And in the first question also you can write here x and that will be y. And the relation is between x and y, that is the y is equal to x square. So let us see in this. So here is the equation is perimeter is the square is the 4x. So what will be happen in this? So you can see here it is starting from 1. So put x is equal to 1, so we get 4y is equal to, so you can see here 1, 4. Now x is equal to 2, so y is equal to 2, 4 ja 8. If x equal to 3, so y is equal to 3, 4 ja 12. If x equal to 4, so y is equal to 4, 4 ja 16. And if x equal to 5, so y is equal to 5, 4 ja 20. So point is 1, 4, and here is 2, 8, and here is 3, 12, and once again it is 4 and 16, and it is 5 and 20. And let us see what will be happen in 6. So put x is equal to 6, so we get 6, 4 ja 24, and x is equal to 7, so y is equal to 7, 4 ja 28. So point is 6, 24, and here is 7, 28. Let us see what will be happen. Here on x-axis there is the length of the side of the square, and here is this one is the y axis and it is the perimeter of the square. So let us see 1 and 4, it is 4, 8, 12. So you can see here on x-axis the being the square is 1 centimeter, and on y-axis a big square is equal to 4 centimeters. So you can see here. Let us see what will be happen. So first of all it is the 1, 4, so you have to write 1, 4. So this one is the 1, 4. So where is 1, 4? you can write here 1 and 4. So it is 2 and how much? It is 8. It is 3 and how much? It is 12. It is 4 and 16, and it is 5 and 20, and it is 6 and it is 6, that is 24, and it is 7 and 28. Now draw the line like this. So you can do in your copy like this. So first you complete the question with the help of this calculation. Let us see the number of students, that is the 16, 19, 22, 23, 21, 18 and 17, and the quantity of the latents in kg. So you can see here 1.280, and it is 1.520, it is 1.760, it is 1.840, it is 1.680, and it is 1.440 and 1.360. So what will be happen? It is the given the quantity all the. Now on x-axis the number of students. The number of students are given on this. So it is the x, and this one is the y. So on x-axis the number of students, on y-axis there is a quantity of latents. So you can put the all this. So you can see 16, so 1.28. You can see here it is 16 and it is 1.28, and similarly on 17 it is 17. So you can see here it is 17, and this point is how much? It is 1 point. No, it is 18. It is 1 point. Not 18. It is 19, and it is. So that one is the 16th. Though this one is 16. 1.280, and so on. We can draw this graph, and the straight line is drawn with the help of this. So first on x-axis there is the big square, that is the 1 student, and on y-axis there is the big square, it is the 0.1 kg. And now you can draw on the copy. So let us see, you can do all these things. Let us see in this simple interest, the formula is principal into rate into time upon hundreds, and it is the time given. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is the simple interest, that is the 0, 10, 20 and 30 and 40. So how can? So first you have to calculate with the help of this simple interest. So on 0, so you can put here 0. So this will be 0, and the rate is given as 10%. So you can see 10% is 10, 20, 30 and 40 will be comes. So now check here, on x-axis there is the time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in years, and it is the amount, that is the on y-axis, and that will be 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So let us see 0, 0. So this one is the 0, 0. Which one? This point is 0, 0. Now come to the 110. It is 1 and it is 10. So you have to write this one 110. And this is the 220. So you have to write 220. And this one is the 330. And this will be your 440. Now draw the straight line with the help of a scale. So this is the completed your formula and your graph. Now all the questions are doing in your graph copy. सारे जो है क्वेश्चन आपको ग्राफ की कॉपी में ही करने हैं, बिना ग्राफ की कॉपी के नहीं होंगे. चलिए थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ते हैं हम लोग. लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट वन, एंड इट इज द some persons were loaned 100, 200, 300 and 400 at the 10% annual simple interest. So draw the graph of the interest obtained from each of them. So first of all you can show 100. So 100. So first you calculate 100. 100 into how much? 100 into rate is given as 10 and time is 1. So it is 100. So this will be cancelled out. so we get 10. So you have to write here, it is 0, it is 10. And what about 2 for 200 rupees? So it is 20. For 300 rupees, it is, draw the interest obtained from each of them. Annual interest, the simple interest. So this will be yours. Yes, you have to write here. This is the person. You can say number of persons, or you can say person. Person, that is the first person. It is first person, second person, third person, and fourth person. So you can see here, it is first person, second person, third person, and fourth person. So amount is calculated. So you can calculate here 200 into 10 into 1 upon 100. So it becomes 20. And what about to 300 into 10 into 1 and divided by 100. So we get 30, and it is 400 into 10 into 1 upon 100. So we get it is 40. So you have to write 10, 20, 30, 40 on y-axis, and here is 1, 2, 3. That is the persons, not the time. So you have to write person. First person, second person, and third person. So point is, you can plot here point. Point is, first one is the 110, 110. Second one is 220. Third one is 330. And fourth one is the 440. Now you can plot here, it is your 1, and you can write here 10. So it is the 110. Now this one is the 220, and this will be your 330, and this will be your 440. Now draw a line with the help of scale. You can draw like this with the help of a line, and now plot the round also here. You can round here because point is missing some here. So you can plot the graph, this one. So it is a very important way, and it is very simple way to draw the graph. Let us do the next question, and that one is the example 1. The two different types of plants were potted into pots A and B. Their heights were noted at the end of the week of the 5 week. The measurements are shown in the graph. It is given in your graph. Use the graph and answer the following question. First time, what was the height of the each plant at the end of the 5 week? End of the 5 week, you can see here, it is the 5 week. This one is this 5 weeks. So end of this year, so it is the B and it is A. So you can see here, one is A is, B is 10 and A is 12. So your answer is for A, that is 12 centimeter, and for B, that is the 10 centimeter. So there is the answer. It is 12 for A and 10 for B centimeters. Okay. So that is the answer of your first question. Let us see the second question. In which did the plant into A grow most of the what was the increasing in its height in this week? कहाँ पर growth सबसे ज़्यादा हुई है? So you can see in this plot. So the second answer, this one is given is the height of the plant pot A increased by 3 centimeter at the end of 2 weeks. 2 weeks के end में 3 centimeter increase हुआ है. So you can see here in the graph. This was more than increasing in any subsequent week. किसी और week से सबसे ज़्यादा इसी में ही है. So that is the 3 centimeter. Now come to the third question. What was the height of the plant in pot B at the end of the week 4? Week 4 ये है हमारे पास. You can see here week 4. Or we want to tell the pot B. Pot B is, so you can see this one. This point is the pot B point. So it is the 8. It is 8. So that is the 4 week was 8 centimeter. So you have to write the question with the help of graph. So it is very easy way to write down all the answers. Let us see the example 2. It's a very teeny font. So you have to see in your book. And the following graph shows the runs scored by the team A and B in a 2020 match. Answer the following questions with the help of the given graph. First, how many runs were scored by team A at the end of the 16 years? 16 years के end में ये है यहाँ पर 16 years. You have to see where is 16 years. So first question's answer. So you have to see team A had scored 126 runs by the end of the 16 years. So you can see here where is the this one you can check here. This one is the answer. So let us see the second question. The what are the intervals when the rate of scoring runs were fastest from team A and team B? किसमें fastest है? You can see the answer here. The rate of scoring runs were fastest from team A and B between overs 16 to 20. You can see here 16 to 20. It is a 16 and 20, so it is very fast. So there is the slope is very high. So that is your answer. Now come to the third question. What are the intervals when the rates of scoring runs were lowest from team A and B both? So lowest run rate you can see here the fourth answer. The team A scored स्लोवेस्ट बिटवीन ओवर्स जो है 4 and 8, 4 और 8 के बीच में यहाँ देखो सबसे लोवेस्ट चल रहा है, इसके टीम के बहुत लोवेस्ट है. सो बिटवीन 4 and 8 एंड टीम बी स्कोर स्लोवेस्ट between 8 and 12. So it is the between 8 and 12. This one is the 8 and 12. So you can see here the very less slope. Now come to the fourth question. What was the difference in score of team A and different team B at the end of the over 8? Over 8 over जो है आपका यहाँ पे हो रहा. So you can see here it is a very minute difference. So you can see here the difference in the score team A and B at the end of the 8 over, that is the 6. That distance is 6 only. So you can see here only graph on graph. Now the fifth question. By looking at the graph, can you tell which team won? कौन सी टीम जीत गई? How can say? The graph clear so that the team B won. So team B won. You can see here team B is the higher. So that will be your answer. So you can write in your copy. Let us see the next one. Exercise 1. So let us start. What will be happen in your exercise 1? Here is the two graphs. Look at the graph A and B given below. Graph A is a straight line and graph B is a curve. So it is the graph A and it is graph B. So you can see there is a straight line and here is a curved line. So it is the curved line. So first answer. What will be the question? What conclusion can you draw from the graph A? Graph A से क्या conclusion निकाल लो? So first answer you have to write. Graph A shows to uniform motion. Uniform motion or speed. Or second, graph B, you can write here capital A. Capital B shows non-uniform motion or speed. So that is the conclusion by the graphs. We can calculate this one. So let us see the next one. That is the second question. A man fill 5 liters of a petrol in the fuel tank of his vehicle. The table below shows the days and petrol remaining of the days. So here is the days and volume of petrol. So you can say 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2 and 4, 1 and 5, 0. So what will be happen? So now you can see here how can draw. So here is days. So you can write this is the x-axis. It is your x-axis. and this one is your y-axis. So you have to write here, it is 0, it is 0, 1, it is 2, it is 3, and 4, and 5, and here is 6. Now the remaining petrol, so that is the liter, so you can say petrol in liter. So you can write here petrol in liter. So here is the petrol, it is 1 liter, 1 liter, it is 2 liter, it is 3 liter, and it is 4 liter, and it is 5 liter. Remaining liters. So first of all, first day it has 4 liter. So you have to do there, it is the 4 liter. You can do here. So you can write the point. Point is 1 4, and second is 2 3, and third is 3 2, and fourth is 4 1, and the last, that is the 5 0. So here is first, so it is the, you can write here which one, it is 1 4, and second is here, it is 2 3, and third one is here, it is 3 2, and the fourth one is here, it is 4 1, and the last, it is the 5 and 0. And now draw the line with the help of scale. So I will draw with the help of line. You can see the line. So it is the line you can see in this graph paper. So this one is the line. You can draw with the help of scale. So that is necessary to draw this one line, and it is your answer. Let us see the next one. Next one is the tables below shows the simple interest on the deposit of 300 rupees at the rate of 5%. So first of calculate this one, 0 per 0 है. So interest how can calculate? SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So you can calculate very easy, but it is given in your table all the interest. But so you can plot on this graph paper. So how can plot? So there is the 1 2 3 4 5, that is the years. So it is given here 1 2 3 4 5, and what happen, it is the 0 15. So you can starting from 15, it is 1 5, not 1 5, it is 15, it is 30, and it is 45, and it will be 60, and that will be your 75. Now plot the point here. You can write the point. Point is 0 0. First point, second is 115, and third is 230, and fourth is 345, and here is 460, and here is 575. So let us see what will be happen in this. Now here 0 1 पर कितना है आपका, 0 पे 0 है. So you can plot here 0 0, and on 1 is 15. So you have to do here 1 15, 2 पे 30. So you can plot here and write here also 1 15, and here is 2 30, and here is 3, and that is 3 45, and here is 4 60, and last one, that is the 5, and you can write here 75, and you can make a line with the help of scale. The line is drawing with the help of scale, not like me. So it is the graph which is drawing by you. With the help of scale you can draw this one. So that is the way to do the question. PRT into 100 you can calculate, everyone you can see here. So it is not necessary because it is given in your table also. So now come to the question. Find the value of x square for the different value of x and draw a graph. So you can see here how can form. So it is the value of x. First of all we can write the x and x square. It is x and that is x square. So you can say it is y is equal to x square. So first of all we can put these values. So first of all you can see 0. So it will be 0, x square is equal to 0. It is minus 1. So it becomes 1. It is plus 1. So it becomes 1. and if it is minus 2 it becomes 4, it is plus 2 so it becomes 4, if it is 3 minus 3 so it will be 9, if it is plus 3 so it will be 9, if it is minus 4 so it will be 16, and it will be which one, 4, and that one is the 16. So we can find the points. Point that is 0 0, and here is minus 1 1, and here is 1 and 1, and minus 2 and 4, and here is 2 and 4, and here is 1 is minus 3 and 9, and here is 3 and 9, and 4 minus 4 and 16, and last is 4 and 16. Now this one plot on the graph paper. How can plot the graph? So you can see here. Now these points plot on this graph paper. So it is your 0. So first of all this one 0 0. So it is the 0 0. You can write here 0 0. So first one is minus 1 and 1. This is minus 1 and 1 is here. And plus 1, 1 is here. Now is 2, 2, 4. So 2 per 4 hai, you can write here 4 here. And what about 2 per 4 here? Minus 2 per 4. And 3 per 9. So you have to see here 9 is here. This one is your 9. And minus 3 per also 9. So you can write here this one is your 9. And what about the 4? 4 plus 16, so you can put here, this one is the 16, like this. And here is also minus 4, 16, so you can put here, this will be your 16. Now draw the graph with the help of free handwriting. So you can draw like this graph. This type, it a parabolic path, so you can draw in your copy with the help of scale and the. So let us see the next one. It's a very important question for your board examination. So let us see the next one. This one is the table, shows the quantity of the onion consumed by in kg over 5 weeks by a family. It is first week, second, third, fourth, and 5, and the quantity of onion, that is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How can draw this one? So you can write here, it is the week, that is the first week, second week, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. And here is the quantity in kg. You can write here quantity in kg. So here is, that is the 1, and this one is the 2, and this one is 3, and this one is 4, 5, and so on 6 here. So first you can write the point. Point is, it is 1 1, you can see 1 1, and 1 again 2 2, and here is 3 3, and it is 4 4, and last one is the 5 5. So you can plot this one. So first one 1 1, it is here, and 2 2, that is here, and 3 3, it is here, and it is 4 4, and last one is the 5 5. And you have to write this one 1 1, and here is 2 2, and here is 3 3, it is 4 4, and it is 5 5. So with the help of scale you can draw a line, a straight line. You can draw with the help of scale, not only this one. So scale you can write here, scale at x-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter, and at y-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Both are the same. Now come to the next question. That is the question number 6. According to an article published in Science magazine, the speed of an ant is a particular place is affected by the temperature of the place, and that is the equation given as s equal to t minus 20 upon 5 shows the relation between the temperature of a place and the speed of ant, where temperature T in degree C and the speed S in centimeter per second. Then draw the graph between the speed ants and the temperature using T is equal to 25, 30 and 35, 40, etc. So on x-axis you can take the temperature. So here is temperature. What will be? You can write here temperature, and that is the starting from 25. So it is 25, it is 30, and it is 35, 40, 45 and 50. And now let us see the here is what will be there is the motion and how many speed. So how can first we want to calculate this one? Yes, let us see here. When the temperature is 25, so 25 minus 20, that is the 5, and 5 divided by 5 we get 1. So here we can calculate this one. It is 20 at 25, it is 1, 30, it is 2, 35, it is 3, 40, it is 4, and 45, that is the 4. So we can get the point. So you can write the point. Point is 25 1 and 32, and here is 35 and 3, and here is 44, and last one is the 45 5. So on x-axis there is the temperature. So you can say which quantity taken on x-axis, that is the temperature. So that one is the answer. Which quantity on y-axis, that is the speed. Speed it is denoted by s, temperature it is denoted by t. And what was the scale used to compute the quantity on x-axis and y-axis? So on x-axis you can see, you can write here on x-axis. What will be happen on x-axis? It is the 5 difference, there is 5. So 5 degree C is equal to 1 centimeter. And y-axis, that is the speed, that is the 1 centimeter per second is equal to 1 centimeter. So you can plot here like this. Now what is the temperature on the place where the speed is 2.5 centimeter per second? Let us see what will be happen. First we draw the graph. So on this one, this is here 25, and it is the 30, and it is the 35, and it will be 40, and it will be 45. Now draw a line with the help of a scale. The line can be drawn with the help of a scale. Don't try to draw with the help free hands, but I have only free hand. So now let us see the D answer. A place where the speed is 2.5. You can see 2.5 is here. 2.5 is here. So you can draw like this and draw vertically downwards. So temperature is, you have to see, that is the mid of the 30 and 35. So what will be it there? It is the 32.5. It will be 32.5. So you have to write here, it is 32.5 degrees C. So that answer is 32.5 degrees C. Now what will be the change in speed of ants if the temperature increase to 40 to 30? So what will be 40 to 30? 40 to 30 here. So first of all 40 here, and 30, that is the here. This one is here. So you can see the speed is 4, and here is speed, that is the 2. So it will change from 4 to 2 centimeter. So you can write it will change 4 centimeter per second to 2 centimeter per second. So that is the answer. So you have to write in your copy. So let us see the next one. Anita made some musical instrument using pipe of different lengths. The mathematical relation between the length and pipe in centimeter and pitch cycle per seconds on music shows the table में show कर रखा है इन्होंने 64, 128, 192, 261, 300 and 395 and it is the 438 and 512 and here is 80, 41, 26, 19, 18, 13, 12 and 10. So what will be happen in your now come to the graph. It is the question and it's the graph is given here. So you can see here what will be happen in this and look at the graph and the answer the following question. First, what should be the length of pipe of 10 pitch 160 cycle per second? So 160 where is it is the 160 you can see here it is 100, it is 150 and it is 160. So you can go like this one. It is the 35. So answer will be your 35 cycle. Length of this one is the 35. So answer will be it is 35 centimeter. So now second your what will be the pitch when the length pipe is 60 centimeter. You can see it is a 60 centimeter. So you can draw upward and this one is moving on left. So here is only 100 cycle per second. So your answer will be it is 100 cycle per second. So these are the answer you can write with the help of graph paper. It's a very easy method to draw this one. So let us see the next question. So two tables are given here and in this draw the graph of the quantities shown in the table and find out the whether y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is constant or not. So you can see in both the table. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 how constant. Let us see in the graph paper what will be happen in this graph paper. So you can see here on x-axis there is the 2, 4, 6. Here we can plot here 2, 4, 6. It is 2. This one is the 4 and it is your 6 and this one is your 8 and this one is your 10 and this one is your 12. So what about to this your on y-axis? It is 4 pi, it is 8 pi and it is 12 pi and it is 16 pi and it is 20 pi and so on and so on. Let us see what will be happen. So first 2 to 4 pi it is 2 to 4 pi. So you can plot here 2 and 4 pi. Now 4 to it is 8 pi. So you can write here 4 to 8 pi. And the next one 6 to that is 12 pi, 6 to 12 pi. And the next one that one is 8 to 16 pi. It is 8 to 16 pi. And the last 10 that is the 10 to 20 pi. Now draw a line with the help of scale. But I can draw like this is, but you can draw with the help of scale. I have no scale, so you can do this one. So let us this is the table A. So you can say it is the table A. You can say the table A. Now similarly you can put with the help of the table B. बिल्कुल similarly put करना है. So 1 pi. So you can say it is the 1. And here is pi, so you have to see here it is 4 pi, that is 2 pi, and this one is the this one it is 1 pi. So 1 and pi. Second one is 2 and 4. It is 2, 2 and 4. It is given here, so you can plot double line. And what about the 3 to 9 pi? So 3 is here and 9 pi. So you can see here it is the 9 pi. This one is your 9 pi. So you have to write it is 3 9 pi. And here is 2 4 pi. And let us see the 4 to 16 pi. 4 to 16 pi. So where is the 16 pi? You can hear 4 to 16 pi, and now 5 to 25 pi, it is the 5, and 25 pi you have to see here, that one is the 25 pi. Where is the 25 pi? It is the 20, and next one it is 24, and the next one is the 25. So you can see here, that one is the, you can further see, it is the 5, this one is the 5, and what about the 25? So you have to write here 25, and that is the 5 and 25 pi. Now join to this line with the help of this one, like this. You can draw with the help of scale. So what will be happen? Whether the constant, so it is the constant, which one? Table A is the constant. So you can write here in table A, what will be happen? Slope is constant. Slope is constant. But in case of table B, you can write like this. So let us go the next one, that is the 9th question. So what will be happen in your 9th question? The temperature data for a particular day in a city are shown in the graph. Answer the following question. It is given in your graph paper. Now first one, what was the city temperature at 6 am? You can see where is the 6 am? This one is the 6 am. So you can go on upward, so you can go very easily. So this one is the this, so you can draw on y-axis. So it is the 20 and 25 between, so it is the 20 to 23, it is 23. So you have to write temperature, answer is, it is 23 degree C. So what was the city temperature at 3 p.m. in the afternoon? So you can see 3 p.m. is here, and go upward. It is very clear that like this, and further on this axis you can come out this. So that one is, it is 32. So that is the 32. So answer is, that is 32 degrees centigrade. It is centigrade. Now the third, at what time was the temperature 30 degrees C? Where is the 30 degrees C? So you can see here, this one is the 30 degrees C. On what? It is 12 p.m. So you have to write here answer. It is 12 p.m. And what would have been the temperature at 12 midnight? 12 midnight, where is the 12? That is the 12 p.m. Midnight is given here. So that one is the this one. So you can write here like this graph. So this one is the midnight, and it is the 26 temperature. It is 26. So you have to write answer is 26 degrees C. And what was the temperature at 9 p.m. in the night? 9 p.m. in the night, it is the 9 p.m. So you can see here, it is the 9 p.m. So you can go upward, and you can see here this one, and the temperature on the temperature axis and the y-axis. It is here. This one is here. So that one is the 20, 30, 27.5. So that answer is 27.5. It is 27.5 degrees C. So these are the answer of your questions. So you can do very well. Now let us come to the next one, and this one is the last question. 10 question. The pollution level of the city are mentioned throughout the day. The pollution level are shown in a graph. Answer the following question based on the graph. First answer, what was the pollution level at 8 in the morning? You can see 8 in the morning, it is here. So you can see at the top, and pollution is here. That is the pollution, and it is the 150, and it is the near about 180. So you have to write it is 180. So the answer is, first answer is, it is 180 degree, 180 ppm. So you can write in ppm, parts per million. So that's the unit. Now come to the second. At what time was the highest pollution level recorded? Highest pollution, that is the 1 am, not 1 am, it is the 2 am. So you can see here, that is the time. You can say it is the highest point, that is the 2 am. So you can write here 2 am. So you can write your answer, it is 2 am. What was the pollution level in the afternoon at 4 o'clock? 4 o'clock afternoon, this one. So you can go upward and with the help of scale. So you can see here, and that is the 150 ppm. So you can write here 150 ppm. Now the fourth question, what was the changing in the pollution level 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock? So 12 o'clock, that is the 12 o'clock to 6, 12 to 6, this one the 12 to 6. So what will be changes? You can see upward, and in this downwards. So here is it is 225, and this one 6. So it is the 150. So 150, 125, what will be upon 125, 225 minus 150. So we get it is 5, and here is 12, 12 minus 5, that is the 7. That is ppm. So that will be changed. Now by how much did the pollution level decreases from 1 o'clock at night to 4 o'clock? 1 o'clock in the morning. So 1 o'clock is this one. So you can see here, it is the 250, and 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock. So there is the 4 o'clock, this one is the here. So you can see it is 250 minus 200. So you can write here 250 minus 200, that is the 50 ppm, and that will be your answer. So your exercise be over. आपकी एक्सरसाइज समाप्त हो रही है. नीचे एक लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा होगा, इसको दबा के सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करेंगे, जिससे ज़्यादा बच्चों का फायदा हो सके. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे. इसी के साथ प्रसाद सर आज इसको यहीं स्टॉप करते हैं.